Hi, I'm Marlena Ballinger. I'm the owner of the Dough Hook, located in Bluffton, Ohio. The Dough Hook is a meat market deli and a bakery. We have all kinds of fresh cut meats, all kinds of Amish deli goods, and all kinds of baked goods that we make from scratch. Tonight I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our fresh meals. Our fresh meals are 3 meals that are designed to feed either a family of 4 or 2, and it's everything you need to cook those meals. So I design the menu on a week-to-week basis, and you pre-order the meals, and then they are ready to pick up starting at noon on Tuesdays, or you can tell us what day you want to pick them up. If you choose to pick it up on a Thursday, we can do that. We just like to know so we can cut the meat and bake any bread that's in them fresh for you. We've been doing our fresh meals for a little over 2 years, and I often get the question of what's in your fresh meals, or how do they come, or are they cooked? What are they? So I like to tell people that they're 3 meals. They're easy meals to cook. I design them myself, and I design them around a busy family. So I try to keep in mind, I try to make it so you can have dinner on the table in less than 30 minutes. So tonight I brought ours home. My husband usually picks it up and brings it home and has the first meal cooked for me by the time I get home from work. But tonight I wouldn't let him cook it. I wanted to show you guys what was in these meals. So I'm going to do a little unboxing for you so you can see exactly what comes in the meals and exactly what they are. So this is what they look like. It's a box, just a plain box, and we put everything in it. So we're gonna open it up. In this box, you can see that there are 3 bags. We put everything in it. So there's instructions. On one side of the instructions, they are color coded. You can see the first one's blue, the second one is green, and the last one is white. And they're color coded according to the bag, and I'll show you that in a minute. But on the other side of the instructions is the menu for the next week. So if you like what you see this week and you want to try it again, you can order for next week. These can be ordered online at doughhook.com, and they need to be ordered by Sunday of the week you want to pick them up. And again, like I said, they're ready starting at noon on Tuesdays of each week. So these are the instructions. They're very explicit. I write them and I color code them per meal. So we have the blue instructions, and we're going to pull out the blue bag. So there's a blue bag, and this week's meal happens to be chicken fajitas. So in this bag, there's a green pepper. We have an onion. That pepper smells good, by the way. And then we have taco seasoning. I get the meals for 4 because it's my husband and our 2 daughters. So we have taco seasoning, and then we have sour cream and salsa. And then they're chicken fajitas. I'm going to put this back in here. So we have chicken in here as well. And the meat we put in a separate bag. That way there's no cross-contamination. So we have a white thank you bag. That's where we put the meat. So, like I said, this is chicken fajitas. So here is the chicken for it. You get a nice portion of chicken. And there's also pork chops in there, but we'll show you that in a minute. The next meal is hot ham and Swiss sliders, and that's in green. So we're going to pull out the green bag. So the green bag, see, it's a green bag, has ham, Swiss, and one of the sides of the meals is a baked potato. So there's potatoes in here. See, you have to peel the potato if you want it peeled, but baked, you just scrub it and bake it. So, and there's 4 potatoes in there, 1 for each person for a 4-person meal. And then this meal also comes with green beans, and this time of year we have to do frozen veggies, so we put those off to the side as well. So there's a bag of frozen green beans. And there's sliders, so you get some of the Dough Hook signature dinner rolls with this meal. So there's the dinner rolls. That comes in the meal as well. Oh, I forgot. Here is tortilla shells for the chicken fajitas. They were too big to fit into the bag, so there's tortilla shells. and lettuce. You gotta have lettuce on your fajitas. That didn't fit in the bag either. And our final meal is stuffing topped pork chops, one of my husband's favorite. So there's a salad that goes with that. So 1 head of lettuce should do your chicken fajitas and your salad for 4 people. So that's why that wasn't in a bag as well, because it's split between 2 meals. And this one's in white, so ta-da-da, we have a white bag. And this has stuffing, cream of mushroom soup, and salad dressing to go with your salad. Oh yay, I got poppy seed. And I'll show you the pork chops. Again, those are in the white thank you bag. So you get enough pork chops for 4 people. There's about 1 1/3 to 1.5 pounds of pork chops here from the Dough Hook. So that's a preview of our fresh meals. Like I said, I get them every week, and it's super easy. My husband usually does the cooking in our house, and he follows the instructions and can have dinner on the table in less than 30 minutes. They're easy meals, they're delicious meals, they're healthy meals, and there's not a lot of chopping. You get everything you need. You get seasonings. The only thing that does not come in the box is oil and salt and pepper. So if any meal needs that, you do have to provide that. But otherwise, if sometimes we have chili, we'll have all the seasonings for chili in there. We'll have breaded chicken. We'll have all the breading in there for the chicken. It's very simple. The 4-person meal is $55, and the 2-person meal is $35. And again, you can order them on our website at doughhook.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can shoot us a Facebook message, or you can give us a call. The number at the Dough Hook is 419-369-4264. Thank you. Have a good evening.